Good morning class. This is the video of 7th chapter of SST services in my surrounding. So in this chapter we are going to read about such actions which make our life easier, which make our life comfortable and effective. So before starting the chapter, we are going to discuss about the neighborhood. What is neighborhood? So yes student, where we are living? We are living in our houses. With whom? With our families. In our houses we are living with our parents, with our siblings, with our grandparents. So with them we are living in our house. But from near to our houses there are many such families are living there. In our house, near to our houses there are so many families living like us. There are their parents, their siblings, their children. So there are so many family who are living in our surroundings. So such family, when we are combining together, they are called together, and such family members are called neighbor. Okay, so neighborhood, houses built close to our house make no neighborhood. Means this is my house, near to my house there is one another house, from there one another house. So there are so many houses in our surroundings, and so many families are living in our surroundings. When we are counting them all together, they are making a neighborhood, and people living in our neighborhood are our neighbors. So the peoples who are living in such houses, in such buildings, in such surroundings, they are called neighbors. So neighbors and their services. In our surroundings we are getting so much facilities from our neighbors. Neighbors are such families who helps us in our good time and also in our bad time. When we are facing some difficulties, they are always there to help us. But when we are enjoying some moment, when we are celebrating some festival, when we are going to picnic, they are also there with us for enjoying that moment. So neighbors are such person who makes our life easier, effective, and they are always there for us. Okay, now services, whatever we are getting in our surrounding. So, and these services are making our life complete and very effective. So first of all, post office, then police station, then market, fire station, hospital, bank, and school, and also ATM. They are some services which make our life easier, comfortable, and effective. So post office, what we can do in our post office? We drop a letter in the letter box. The letter goes to the post office, from where it is sent to the other towns and delivered by the postman. Things and money can be sent through post office. So the main thing in post office is we can send letters, we can send money, we can send different things through post office from one place to another place, from one state, from one city, from one town to another places. So what we are doing, if we have to, in ancient time this letter system we were using mostly, but now it is not very effective. This time we can share the things, we can share the money, but also later it is okay. So when we have to send some letter to one place to another place, what we are doing? We are writing some letter and keep that letter inside the envelope and keep the letter in this type of letter boxes. This is post office. In front of post office there is a letter box. we are going to the post office and putting down the letter inside this letter box. Then some person take it that letters from that box and send that to one place to another place. So like this we can send things, and also we can send money from one person to another person, from one place to another place, which help us for the connection with the another person. After post office there is police station. We very well know what is police station. Inside police station, what we find there, we can get police, and police is a very necessary person for our life. Police are such person who helps us in protecting us, who helps us from the enemies, from the thieves, and from the other unwanted person. So police helps to catch robbers and thieves. They guard the neighborhood and help people to find their lost thing. Means police are such person who helps for the protection. They can protect us from the enemies, from the robbers, from the thieves. If we are getting lost some things, they are helping us to find that things. So they are very important person in our society. And there is another police, that is traffic police, who directs traffic on the road and control traffic. When we are crossing the road, when we are crossing some chalks, what we are finding there, we are finding one traffic police. What they are doing, they are helping to control the traffics. They direct us what we have to do, what we don't have to do, and sometimes they are very important because of them some accident can't happen. So policeman and traffic police are important for our society. Here you can see these are police station and policemen who are always ready to help us in this corona time. They are always also helping us for protecting us from this virus. And this is traffic police who controls the traffic and make the life easier. Then after police station, market. What we are doing in market, we can get all the necessary things from the market. We can get vegetables, fruits, clothes, some other flowers, books, all the necessary things we are getting from the markets, which makes our life very easier. So many shops together make a market. The shopkeepers in the market sell different things such as fruits, vegetables, flowers, books, bread, butter, and eggs, etc. Means all the things whatever we are using in our daily life, from where we are getting them from the market. Not only one shop is called market. When there are so many shops, so when we are combining them together, they are making a market. So here you can see the image of market. See, there are so many shops or different things. Here it is clothes shop, then some stationery shop, fruit shop, vegetables, all the things we can get from the market. Then fire station. Whenever a building catches fire, we dial 101 to call the fire brigade from the fire station. The fire station has firemen and fire engine, and they put out fires. So fire station is mainly used for put out the fire. When some accident is happening in our houses with the fires, then we are calling to the fire station. We are dialing 101, and from there we can get fire brigade and fire engine, and they are helping us to put on that fires. So here you can see this is a fire engine, and these are fire brigades who is always ready to help us and to put out the fire. Then hospitals. This is a very important service for our society. when we are feeling sick, we are going for the treatment to the doctor. But sometimes we are not getting well with the doctor, so at that time we are admitted to the hospital, and from there we can get well. So hospital, every neighborhood has a doctor's clinic or a hospital. We visit the doctor when we are sick. Sometimes the patient have to taken to the hospital in an ambulance. We dial 1024 ambulance. So whenever we are feeling sick, where we are going to the doctor's clinic or hospitals for the treatment. And if it is a very dangerous case and any emergency is there, then we are dialing 1024 ambulance. Then ambulance is coming to that place and they are taking the person to the hospital. So for fire brigadier we are dialing 101. For hospital, for ambulance we can dial 102, and for police we are dialing 100. These are the important numbers. When we have to take their service, we can dial these numbers. After hospitals, we can see the hospital. Okay, these are the beds of the hospital. Then bank. People use banks to keep their money and jewelry in it. These things remain safe in the bank. So bank is such place where we can keep our precious things safely, where we can keep our money safely and jewelry safely. So we can't keep so much money in our house, because when the robbers come, when the thieves come, they can take all the money from our houses. So at that situation, we are keeping our money in the bank. Bank is the safest place to keep the money and jewelry there. So here you can see the bank. Yes, this is a private bank, that is Yes Bank. So like this, there are so many banks which are helping us to keep our money and jewelry safe. Then after school, yes, school is also a very important, very important service for our society. It give us knowledge, it teach us good manner, and it makes the person a good person. So school helps us to gain knowledge and learn good manners. So it helps to become a good person. It gives us so many knowledge and so many good manners, so many different things, different good things which make us a good personality. So school is also a very essential service for us. After school, yes, you can see one image of school also here. Your school, Calcutta Public School, it is also providing service to you. It gives you knowledge and it also gives good manners to you. So school is also a important service in our neighbor. Then ATM. People use ATM to take out money whenever they like. It is open 24 hours on all days. So in bank, it's the working hour of bank is 10 to 5. So only on that time we can keep the money there and we can withdraw some money. But ATM is latest technology from where we can get money all the times. Whenever you need the money, you can go the ATM and withdraw money, whatever amount you are wanting. So it works all the time, 24 hours and all day, from Monday to Sunday, in rainy days, in summer days, in winter day, the ATM can work. From here we can take out money every time on our wish. So it is also important service for our neighborhood. So here you can see ATM machine. From here you can take money any time. The full form of ATM is automated teller machine. It is very important service for our surroundings. So these are the surroundings, these are the services which we are getting in our surroundings and which helps to make our life easier, comfortable and good. First is post office, then police station, then market, fire station, hospitals, bank, schools and ATM. So that's all for today. Thank you class.